Hi, I'm Brian with AWS Professional Services. Today, as part of our series on continuous monitoring in GovCloud, we're going to talk about how to alert on protected actions. To start, we'll look at the GitHub page with our AWS samples and look through the README, and we'll see that there are no prerequisites for this solution. Instead, we'll just jump right into the parameters file, which we'll provide to CloudFormation to create our stack. I've created a parameter file providing some actions that I want to alert on, along with the email address I want to be alerted when those actions are taken. So let's create a stack with those parameters. So I'll copy it into Notepad while I change some values. And feed it my parameter file and my profile. So let's copy this command and execute it in the command prompt. CloudFormation's returned a stack ID, which indicates that it's creating the stack. So let's wait for that stack to create, and then we will execute one of those protected actions. Now that our stack's created, let's check our email to confirm subscription to the SNS topic that will alert us on these protected actions. Now we've confirmed our subscription to the topic, so let's execute one of the protected actions. In this example, we've created an IAM user, which is one of the protected actions that we provided as an input parameter to our stack. That value is used to create a CloudWatch events rule, as you can see here, that passes that parameter as the event name. And then when that event is triggered, it will call this Lambda function, which will check for the alertable events and alert us. And now that we've created an IAM user, which is one of our protected events, you can see we're alerted with an email indicating that API call was made. Thank you for watching our video on how to alert on protected actions. Be sure to check out our other videos in our series on continuous monitoring in GovCloud.